Welcome to Genesis Downtown, and congratulations on becoming a new Genesis owner. I'm Tasnima Hossein, your Genesis Ownership Manager, and I'll be your point of contact throughout your journey here with us. Our most important promise here at Genesis Downtown is to value your time and provide you with a distinct ownership experience. Your Genesis Care Plan includes scheduled maintenance for 5 years or 100,000 kilometers. Should you choose to visit our Autoplex, our team will provide a swift and warm welcome in our dedicated drive-through bay. When your vehicle requires service, you can choose the path that is most convenient for you.
Hi, I'm Joel Penko, your service manager. With my team of expert technicians and we are committed to ensuring that your vehicle is always maintaining the best standards and performs at its best, providing meticulous and precise care which can only be offered at Genesis. While your vehicle is being serviced, we invite you to relax in our comfortable owner's lounge or explore the latest Genesis lineup in our showroom.
And to ensure you have a direct line to our team, we provide you with this simple contact card. The heart of the Genesis experience is our at-home valet service, designed to return the luxury of time to your day. A simple scan of the QR code saves our team's contact information directly to your phone, so we are always just a call or text away. When you're ready to schedule your service, simply reach out and book your pickup. Our ownership team will personally contact you to confirm your appointment. For myself, Joelle, and the entire Genesis Downtown team, we're always ready to provide you with an exceptional experience.
Thank you for choosing Genesis Downtown, and once again, welcome to the Genesis family.